Okay, now I am going to say one thing. This record I'm going to put on next is in very, very nice shape. But, however, it's also very, very poorly made. This is roulette number 141, R4115. The Playmates playing Beep Beep. Any of you Nash owners better know this song.
While riding in my Cadillac, what to my surprise, a little Nash Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, his horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake, but the little Nash Rambler stayed right behind me, still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off the gas. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The little Nash Rambler was right behind. I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110. This certainly was a race. For Rambler passing caddy would be a big disgrace. The guy was the one to pass me out. He's kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as I could go. The Rambler pulled alongside of me as if we're going slow. The fellow rolled down his window and yelled for me to hear, "Hey buddy, how can I get this car out of sight?"
I told you it played bad. Now, either every recording on YouTube is played way too slow, or this record was recorded way too fast. Or would that be slow? I mean, it plays back fast. I don't know. But maybe I'll do a few more later today. I feel you might get a little laugh out of it. Oh! Well, there is one more.